Hello. Right. As you may have seen on my post earlier on, I have received the new Merry and Bright collection from Cocoa Vanilla Studio, and this is my new DT pack from Lottie Loves Paper. So this is an advertised post, just to let you know. But I'm gonna unpack this with you all now so that we can see everything together for the first time, and get some ideas of what I'm gonna do with this pack. Okay, so what we'll do first, we'll put those aside, and always we'll look at the papers first. So this one, obviously the Merry and Bright pack is sort of Christmassy themed, but I'm looking at it as more of a winter theme than a Christmas theme. I expect I will do a couple of Christmas layouts, but mainly I want to use this in a wintry way. So the first paper I've ordered 2 of because I liked both sides of it, so I didn't want to have to choose. So this one, so you've got some really nice sort of pastel-y colours more than the sort of traditional red and greens of Christmas. So we've got the flowers, which can be fussy cut, and then we've got this really nice snowflake sort of peach coloured background with snowflakes on. So there's 2 of those. The next one, again, I asked for 2, just because I like both sides again. So we've got some really nice starry paper going on there with the pinks, greens, muted reds, really nice. And then on the other side, oh, watch your eyes, it's a green plaid, plaid, that's what I want to say, checkerboard, sort of like your tablecloth, isn't it? Tablecloth design, I would call it. That one's called Star Bright, obviously because of the stars on that side. Right, this one we have trees, Christmassy kind of trees with the stars on top, but it could still be used as a wintry layout as well, even though the trees are decorated, but nice and subtly, so it's not in your face. And then we've got a really nice, just sort of like hand-drawn stars on the back on a green background, and that one's called Oh Christmas Tree. This one you've got the cut apart, so it's the 1 to 25, so it's your advent calendar cut aparts on there. And then on this side you've got some hand-drawn trees on that sort of like really nice sort of mint green background. So it's hand-drawn trees and stars and little dots as well. And that one is actually called Countdown. Then this one, the wreath. It's very Cocoa Vanilla wreath, isn't it? So again, can be fussy cut out. And then on the back you've got like a speckled with all the colours that are in this collection, the reds, the pinks, the greens, just speckles on that side. Right, this one, another cut apart. So very Christmassy this side. Dear Santa, my name is I am so and so years old. I have been a very something kid all year. I really hope I get something for Christmas this year, love from. So you can use it, maybe your child has written their letter to Father Christmas and you've taken a photo of them writing their letter. That could be quite a good one to go on there. Making a list and checking it twice. Some nice cut aparts down here as well, some nice strips. And then on the back, Jingle Bells, all the lyrics to Jingle Bells, which I think is quite a fun page to have there. This one is like a smaller version of the first one, if you like. So it's this, but sort of like shrunk down and multiplied. So it's quite a small pattern. And then on the back, it's quite a bit different than the sort of candy cane, isn't it? Because it's sort of muted colours, so it's sort of a candy cane stripe, but the pinks and reds. I quite like that one. And then we have 'Tis the Season, Merry and Bright, Happy Christmas, Holly Jolly, Wish Time, Santa, and Christmas time, I suppose, isn't it? Holidays, Claus, Santa Claus, Jingle Joy, Jingle All the Way. So these could be cut apart and used in different ways. There's no sort of like cutting lines, so use it as it will, fussy cut them out. They'd be quite nice. And then on the back, you've got a really nice wood grain that you can use as a background maybe. So that's all the papers that have come with this collection. The last one is the large die cut and backing kit. So this one, you've got almost like a ready-made page. Sorry, let me just undo it. Oh, it's just stuck there where the die cut was stuck on the page. There we are. Right, so this one is a nice sturdy die cut, and then you've got sort of like almost like a ready-made page background there that you can just embellish and put a photo on, or you can use the die cut on top of it, maybe colour the die cut with inks and things or paints before you put it back on there, or you can use the die cut on another page, and like I said, use this as just a ready-made page on its own like that. So that's quite a nice versatile one. So Merry and Bright, the ephemera pack, that's the back of the package, so you can see some of it, but we'll just quickly whiz through them. Christmas trees, the flower embellishments, lovely, oh lovely greys as well in here. Holly flowers, holly leaves and things. Father Christmas and his sleigh, another Christmas tree. Oh, a nice sort of like gingerbready houses, they're really cute. There's another gingerbread house. Tickets, Christmas Magic, December, admit 1. There's a little banner with a bell on it. Christmas Countdown, admit 1 family pass. Lovely little banners with hearts. Oh, what other wordings we got here on these? We've got Merry Christmas, Sweet Memories, Happy Holidays, Joy to the World. Okay, another tree. Some more flowers. It looks almost like a poppy, doesn't it? Flowers and leaves and berries. Snow globe. I love that. Oh, sorry. Out of focus there, out of shot then, wasn't it? And then we've got our Christmas baubles. Fun. Berries and leaves again. The old cocoa vanilla hearts. Ooh. They're a very distinct shape, aren't they, the cocoa vanilla ones? Ho ho ho, or oh oh oh, depending on if you've been naughty or nice, I suppose. Tags. Oh, some lovely die cuts, wreaths, and frames, should I say, and some little tabs in there. So that is the ephemera pack. Let me just move those out of the way. And then we have these most gorgeous Little fabric stars. They're not as puffy as the hearts were in the Sweet Dreams collection. They're quite a lot flatter, but they're gorgeous, and the actual sort of like luster on them is really nice. One of the toddlers I charred mine for wanted these earlier when I opened the box, and I had to wrestle them off him before he could get the packet open. Right then, next one, stickers. So we've got Joy, Merry and Bright, Presents, the wreath again, the most wonderful time of year, 12 days of Christmas, maybe 25th of December, could be your 25 on your advent calendar again. And then we got a lovely load of word cutouts there in the stickers. Holly jolly, cherish, fa la 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 la, stockings, Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, memories, traditions, ink, drink, eat, drink and be merry. I like those. And then the last ones I've got, had to toss up between the flare buttons and the cards. And I have to say, I do struggle with placing flares on my layouts. So I've chosen the cards, and I've got a few ideas for these. So I'm going to think about what it is. It's really nice to smell that these are double-sided. So it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So I'm thinking maybe a mini book, because you've got sort of like the Christmas sort of theme on one side, and then you can add your photos onto the other side where you haven't got any wording or anything. Ho ho ho, or the O O O again, with some nice hand-drawn trees on the back and some journaling space. Here comes Santa Claus, Christmas memories. I like that you get 2 of each of these in the pack as well. Hey Santa, that's cute. I like that journaling card. Christmas Day with the baubles. Christmas Eve with the hand-drawn trees again. 25th of December with pink and the hand-drawn trees. Oh, Christmas tree. It's a very non-traditional one, isn't it? Pink Christmas tree with the red on the back with the snowflakes. And then a nice bordered one. A nice photo would fit just in there nicely, wouldn't it? And then the pink checker cloth on the back. Snow globe, Christmas memories with the candy cane stripes. Merry and Bright with a traditional tree on the back. Gingerbread house. Home for the holidays. That's cute. With journaling again. Joy to the world. Green background with stars. Deck the halls. The sleigh with journaling. Wow, there's loads in here. Comfort and joy. Green with the hand-drawn stars. We've got another gingerbread house with the jingle bells words on the back. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. On a nice sort of journaling space, or space for a photo. And the last one, making spirits bright, and those gorgeous hearts again on the back. So that is my collection. I hope that has shown you a little bit more sort of close-up of this collection. I know that quite a few people pre-ordered their Merry and Bright, but Sarah also did order more to stock in the shop, which I will think she will be adding to the shop in the next couple of days. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I'll be back soon with what I make. Okay, bye.